Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, you can. This video is about redacting a comment I made in one of my previous videos, 5 things I hate about the Ford Maverick. Let's go ahead and roll the video. Alright folks, in one of my previous videos I made 5 things I hate about the Ford Maverick. I made that video right after I had bought the truck, and I bought it in December, so I was getting ready to change over and put my snow tires on. And come to find out, the way I was trying to jack it up, I couldn't get my regular floor jack to work. Previous vehicles I've had, this is not my first unibody vehicle. I've always had some frame rail or a suspension point where I've been able to put the regular floor jack underneath it to jack it up to change the snow tires or do oil change, whatever I'm working on. When in that video, if you have watched that video already, I said you couldn't use the floor jack. My problem was I didn't have the knowledge, I guess, the proper knowledge to jack this truck up. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. I actually went on Amazon. Now I said, no, some people actually use like 2x4s and stuff like that. I didn't feel comfortable doing that. Honestly, I want to try not to chip any of the paint and stuff underneath on the body underneath here. What I did is I bought one of these kits off of Amazon. Basically, these are almost like a hockey puck. This kit came with 2 of these style and 2 of this style here. And actually, this is what you're going to use to jack up the Maverick. And all you're going to do, sorry, it's very windy and cold out here today. You're going to do it like that. You could obviously do it with just one. I feel more comfortable doing that. A little bit better support, I guess. A little bit less chance of me chipping some paint or something on the body. And basically, all you're going to do is go underneath here. And you can do the same thing too with your jack that comes in the truck already. All right, folks, basically all I'm doing is I'm taking those 2 things there. I put them on the jack. I just got to get them lined up with the bottom of the body here. I don't know if I can get a good angle to show you what I'm doing here, really. But basically, I just want to center these 2 pieces here underneath the body like so. All right, both of those are centered up there. Not quite supporting the vehicle yet. Of course, you know, if you ever change a tire, you got to loosen the lug nuts before you jack the vehicle up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, got all my snow tires off, got my spring tires, factory tires back on. Yeah, I can admit when I make a mistake sometimes. Hey, you put yourself out on YouTube, sometimes you're still not the expert. But thanks for tuning in. Got plenty more Maverick videos, also have motorcycle videos, tool videos, all kinds of stuff. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Lots of videos coming. Bye for now.